family. Welcome crew. Here is what's happening in this video. Let's solve this subtraction problem. 50 minus 44. The ones column is on the right and the tens column is on the left. We start solving the subtraction problem by subtracting the numbers in the ones column. 0 minus 4. But I can't do it because 0 is smaller than 4. So we must borrow. You go to the 5 in the tens place and borrow 1 from it. So the 0 becomes 10 and 5 becomes 4. Now we have 10 minus 4, which equals 6. Write 6 in the ones place. Then go to the tens column. 4 minus 4 equals 0. Write 0 in the tens place. So 50 minus 44 equals 6. And this is our final answer to this problem. Hit that like button, subscribe and comment your thoughts.